So if you don't badge it 1.5, you can easily pull off saying it's a 2-liter engine. So the engines perform very well on both the Harrier and the Safari. Choose the petrol over the diesel because this engine exists.
It was amazing. It's a brilliant powertrain and does really good job on the road.
बहुत अच्छा लगा मुझे पेट्रोल इंजन चला के हैरियर और सफारी। एक 1500 सीसी का, लेकिन टाटा ने बहुत बेहतरीन तरीके से इंजन को बनाया है।
Not only are they getting an efficient engine, but they are also getting a supremely refined engine, which I think is one of the most refined engines that Tata has ever made till date.
I thought the engines were extremely refined. They were very comfortable to drive. It's a very enjoyable car to drive. So you don't have to shift modes to overtake, even if you're in eco mode. I think that was a standout feature for this engine.
We're doing about 80 kilometers per hour in the Safari, and it literally felt like it's gliding on all those bad roads. So I think suspension, despite a 19-inch wheel, was pretty good on the Safari. So that is when I felt, wow, it's actually driving like SUV. I can just, go at high speed even on bad roads.
There was a very steep uphill incline and I was quite skeptical if the motor will pull it up or not, but it did without breaking a sweat.
When you want to overtake, आपको जरा सा भी सोचने की जरूरत नहीं है. You just accelerate the pedal, गाड़ी छू मंतर हो जाती है.
The engine was very refined. That refinement was a big aspect, and I think it is very much true. And I feel it's one of the most refined Tata petrol engines that has come from Tata.
First and foremost, the lightweight on the front end. Car was more agile. Phenomenal refinement from this petrol engine, and the fact that it can do the business even in a large car like this.
इतनी स्मूथ ड्राइव है, so that's why कि जो पर्सपेक्टिव है वो चेंज होने ही.
Petrol earlier was seen as not having enough power to pull a large vehicle like a Safari. But this engine has enough power and enough torque. You're probably looking at nearly 50% of sales coming from the petrol variant now.
And it's very easy when you want to drive it. You drive it on city mode, it's absolutely great. And then when you want to really like push it, you want to really have fun, put it into sports mode. There are different driving modes. I even use the rough patch mode.